Bye-bye.
Come on.
Oh, hang on. We got someone backing up.
Wait.
And that's an insurance claim.
It's wrong. Yeah, and you're...
It doesn't say spicy, but it says Szechuan beef.
It said spicy when I looked. Beefing for. Now I'm going to sit here a little bit longer.
I know.
You can wait. The guy was mad. He got.
So basically, I literally said to her, like, I was trying to leave. But basically, if anything goes down, I'm just walking out. Nope. What the? Did he do that on purpose? Now that I'm allowed to pick y'all up, I'm gonna say she had a car follow. Oh my God, Sean, are you okay?
Trump and lost key Senate races. They tried it again in 2020 and lost key Senate races. They tried it again in 2022 and lost key Senate races. Think about it for a moment. What resulted in Republicans losing Arizona and Nevada in 2018? Wrong Republicans. What happened to Republicans losing the Senate majority in 2020? The
Alright, ready?
You just crashed out. We got
Speed 65.
So we have a unit for 6 over.
Alright, northbound on South Field Church Drive for northbound. Speed 25. Just gonna hit a pole, but kept you together. Coming to a stop.
Just watch your hands. Watch your hands.
I got it. It's in the car. Secure.
Oh, fuck.
No one gives a shit about you. You're just some kid on the internet that pays for follows. Get the out of my face. What?
You're gonna definitely pay for this one.
I am?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, how?
Well, you'll see.
I will?
Yeah, you'll see.
Oh yeah. Because you have all these videos of you breaking the laws and cutting people off and shit like that, and you think that's really going to help you?
This is the guy. Does he look familiar? Yeah.
I do. I look like someone that's fed up with your shit. Dude, stop trying to kill people on the road.
All right, so I'm gonna do now, guys. Okay, so this guy again, he's calling the police. This is amazing.
I didn't call him last time. I said let's meet at the police station if you want to deal with it.
This guy is, and he's a liar, and he's a volunteer firefighter. And I forget I'll have to look at the video to get his last name.
My name is Roland Cammett. He's ready for fire.
You know, this guy's a piece of work.